Hey Hookah Domain, I'm Chuck.
I'm Redman.
Also known as Chris. Today we're doing a nice review on Tropical Explosion. Now, onto the cut of this. When you say a typical hookah free cut, finely shredded. As you can see, more of a water base than a molasses or honey. Now, out of all the smokes that I've had, a lot of flavors, a lot of different containers of Hookah Freak and Hookah, I found one stem. One. And that's an A+ in my book. Because, if you know me, I hate picking out stems. And I've only found one. I forget which batch I found it in, but I only found one, which, hey, that's pretty good in my book. Out of, I don't know, like 20 or 30 smokes I've had out of Hookah and Hookah Free. Now, the smell on this stuff, I definitely smell a lot of fruity, tropical smells out of this. Some orange in there, definitely an orange. You can definitely smell the orange out of that. Mango, maybe key lime. There's a couple others in there, but I can't pinpoint them. Now, as you can see, with me smoking this, and with him smoking this, I produced decent clouds. I mean, to be honest with you, I probably just started smoking this maybe 2 minutes before we started the review. And as you can see, it's producing a lot of clouds. I mean, even the first hit that I took was a big hit. A lot of clouds, a lot of puffy clouds. So this is one of those ones. Great taste. I mean, the taste on this is amazing, wouldn't you say? You can definitely tell it's a tropical fruity taste for those people that love fruity, whatnot. Definitely an awesome flavor. Definitely you should pick up some if you like to try this at Sahara Smoke or hookah.com. I mean, as you can see, clouds are huge. I mean, there's nothing special. This is my crappy hookah, 2 coconaras, and a homemade wind cover that I have. Now on the rating on this, when you give it what would you give this?
8, 9.
9? I would give it a 10 out of 10. Nice clouds, great taste, no stems. 10 out of 10 for me. Alright, Hookah Domain, I'm Chuck.
I'm Redman.
Keep on smoking.